In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site from Cloudflare. Whether you're restructuring your site management or simply moving to another service, removing a site from Cloudflare is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step, ensuring clarity and ease along the way. First, begin by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your domains and settings, so make sure you have your credentials handy and are logged into the appropriate account. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your domains. Take a moment here to locate and select the specific domain that you intend to remove. This part is crucial to avoid any accidental changes to domains you wish to keep active on Cloudflare. Next, you'll find yourself on the overview page of the selected domain. This page gives you a snapshot of your site's current configuration and options. Scroll down gently until you come across the section labeled Advanced Actions. It's important to proceed with caution here, since these actions will have significant effects. Within this section, you should see the option that says Remove Site from Cloudflare. When you're sure you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click that option. This will initiate the removal process. After clicking, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to remove the site from Cloudflare. This is a standard security measure to ensure you don't delete your site by mistake. At this point, take a moment to double-check that you're indeed removing the intended site. Once confirmed, click to proceed with the removal. For users on an enterprise plan, there might be an additional step. Enterprise plans sometimes include custom configurations that may complicate immediate removal. If you find yourself unable to select the removal option, you may need to first downgrade your domain to a free plan. This step temporarily adjusts your account settings, allowing for a straightforward removal. It's also noteworthy that Cloudflare retains the domain configuration history for approximately 18 months after a removal. This means that if you choose to re-add the site later on, some configurations might still be accessible, easing the process of redeployment should you need it. And there you have it, a concise yet thorough guide on removing a site from Cloudflare. The process, as you've seen, is designed to be user-friendly while ensuring the security and integrity of your other domain settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide effectively supported your needs in managing your web services.